Hi ho Cheerio, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to pick 10 cherries from your tree, fill up your bucket, then say, hi ho Cheerio. Setup. Each player chooses a tree card and places 10 cherries on it. The youngest player goes first and play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, spin the spinner and take the action according to the spin. 1 to 4 cherries. Pick the number of cherries indicated by your spin from your tree and put it in your bucket. Bird or dog. Take 2 cherries from your bucket and place them back on your tree. If you have 1 or fewer in your bucket, put back what you can. Spilled bucket. Remove all the cherries from your bucket and put them back on the tree. The first player to have all 10 cherries in their bucket and says hi ho Cheerio wins.